Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, so the setup proceeds without interruption. Make sure you have an active GitHub Copilot subscription and a compatible IntelliJ version. This prevents permission errors later. Once done, open IntelliJ and go to Settings/Plugins to start installation. You'll sign into GitHub through the IDE, so have your browser session available for OAuth. This avoids manual token steps. Follow these initial steps now to place authentication and IDE compatibility in order before installing the plugin. You install and authenticate the Copilot plugin next, which connects the IDE to GitHub service. In Plugins, search for GitHub Copilot, install it, and accept the restart. This loads background services that provide suggestions. After restart, choose Log in with GitHub. The browser will request scopes. Accept them so the plugin can access completions. Make sure to select the correct GitHub account if you have multiples. Once authenticated, Copilot will register with your IDE and is ready to be configured for project use. You finish by configuring Copilot and verifying it works in your projects. Open Editor right arrow GitHub Copilot settings to adjust suggestion frequency, inline hints, and keyboard shortcuts so suggestions match your workflow. Enable the file types and languages you use, otherwise suggestions may be suppressed. Then create a small test file and trigger completions to confirm responsiveness. If something fails, check the event log for authentication or plugin exceptions. One key troubleshooting tip: rerun log.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.